YouTubes. We're actually getting a refrigeration video. We're gonna head out and check out this one-door reach-in refrigerator that's supposedly not working. Hard seltzer and skinny jeans. If you haven't seen my Soy Boy video, the comedy song, I'll put a card up here somewheres, and you guys can go check it out and get a good laugh, you know, because he's a soy boy. He's coming through. He's a soy boy. He's looking at you. He's a soy boy. Is that what I think? A vanilla latte. That's his drink. See if I can do some multitasking while I'm driving here. I was at the parts house, and Klein Tools makes the neck gaiters. Let me zoom out for you guys. So you can stick it over your head, over your neck, and then put it over your face as your mask. I don't know if any of you guys are rocking these. I picked this one up at RSD from Klein Tools. When your hair's getting out of control like mine, let me see if I can flip the camera around. Hold on. Yeah, I've been using this one, the gray one. Keeps the hair out of my face, and then I can slide it down over my face as a mask. And then now I got the Klein, the blue Klein. I wish it was a different color, you know. You don't want the red guys getting all pissed off at you for wearing the blue shit, but they'll just go, it's a fat gringo, who cares? That guy's just working. What's up, everybody? Yeah. I got a bunch of work in the pipeline. I just got to make some videos for you guys. We'll try and make that happen. We'll see how it goes. Stats clicking. That's good. Let's see where it plugs in at. Nice and emptied. What do we got today? AHT 13, 134A, 19 ounces. So let's see where we plug in at here. Oh, here's our cord. They're all supposed to be on a separate circuit, so I don't know if they had it plugged into this or not. Let's take a look back here and see if I doubt there's a receptacle back there. Let's take a look back there. No receptacle back there. Or up the wall for that matter. It's got to plug into one of these little doohickeys. See what happens here. Got the H.V.A.C fan. We have evaporator fan. Yes, check. Okay. Click of death, I think. Yeah. We got the click of death over. Check 19, breaker 19. All right, let me get this thing spun around so we can get up there. Or you know what? I could probably just go get my ladder. Let me go get my ladder. All right, I got back here. I spun it around. Look, forkatitis. Put the fork in it. This one's done. Yeah, just put the fork in it over. This one's done. It's 2009 compressor. That's 8 years old. Now let's get all this garbage out of here. Let me do a little cleanup real quick. Took the cap off the start cap. That's not looking too good. So let's cut that. These are soldered in, so I'm going to cut them out, and then we'll test that start cap real quick here. That's good. Cut the resistor out. check this thing. Let's see what it's supposed to be. $189 to $227. That ain't gonna make it, is it? See that? It's about 87 microfarads. Ain't gonna cut the bacon. Let's get a start cap and see if we can make this thing run. All right, I got it in there for a test. And then you'll see we'll have to clean all this if it works. All right, here we go. Keep your fingers crossed, everybody. All right, compressor has started. We're gonna need the gauge up on it. There is a low side tap here, high side tap here, and here. Let it run and we'll grab a gauge, see if it's got charge. Thinking it does. But let's double check. Maybe this guy right here. All the dirt on the outlet of your condenser is just as important as the inlet to get the outlet clean. And then look at these. Those are the compressor feet. Get those back on. All right, let's go grab a gauge. Or actually, I got my testo in the bag right here. Let's put it on there and I'll show you a screenshot. That's when I do air conditioning. I got it programmed on the low side for my refrigeration checks. And I'm working out of my little quick bag. So that's why I got all this stuff set up. All right, let's get you over to the screenshot and see what our suction pressure looks like. All right, 27 PSI, 31 degree evaporator because the box is hot. So our charge is looking good. Let's get on with our cleaning and see what's next, and we'll tidy up that capacitor mounting. You can see we're at like 27 PSI and like a 30 degree evaporator because the box is hot. It's got a load on it. So let me get this tidied back up. I'm gonna start cleaning up all this stuff and we'll get her cleaned up and then check her out. The condenser is just as important as the air entering. So we got that cleaned up. Let's get this going. We'll get some coil cleaner and we'll wash this little coil out. And see how she does. Yeah, the solar's still working on that old Traulsen. Oh yeah, she's cleaning up good. Getting good and cleaned up there. Traulsen, baby. Yes, man, this one's made in Texas. Yeah. Coming right on down the mountain, 53.4. Coil cleaned up super nice. Look at that. Printing up invoice. That one, blown start capacitor, dirty condenser coil, you know, the usual. They're all multiple offenders. All right, everybody, do me a favor. Hit the subscribe bell down there. Hit that subscribe. Hit the bell, hit the like button, and we'll catch you on the next one.